Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So we're going to be doing some cleaning around our house, and all of you know, or most of you know, the ones who follow the content quite regularly, that we do have dogs. And because you have dogs, dogs shed, and the one thing that I hate about the dogs is that they shed. We love the dogs. We don't love the dog fluff, which is everywhere. So my kids and I spend quite a lot of time defluffing our house. Now, before I have any negative Nancy's jump over here on this video and say, why is your daughter sitting down and not helping you? She should be helping you. She's big enough to help you. Why is she not helping? Because I don't really know how to work the TV. And so I asked her to find me a video that I could watch or listen to while I am cleaning, and she knows how to do it. So I let her do it. I don't really watch a ton of TV. I watch a lot of YouTube, but usually that's on my phone or on my computer. And she helps me with those types of things because I think Jackson was doing something with the dogs outside. So she is going to get me set up with my video or music or whatever it is I decided to do, and then she's going to jump in. So don't worry, because I do have quite a few people that ask or say you shouldn't be doing all the work. They should be helping. My children do help quite a lot. Alana actually is an adult. She's 20 years old. She does still live at home, but she helps quite a lot and takes on a lot of responsibility in the home. So I'm very thankful for that, because I know some people who live at home or whatever the case is, and they don't do anything. So again, my kids do help. We're getting ready to get these floors together. So I'm using these Swiffer Sweeper wipes, floor pads that do have the Febreze in them. It does make your house smell amazing. So we use these on the floor right after I sweep. I like to go through and do just a wet Swiffer over the floor. Again, the dogs go outside, and they go out in the backyard, and if it's been wet or raining or dewy and it's early in the morning, you will see little puppy prints. And of course, Brenda Ann has to come over and inspect what is going on in this house. Now, this couch is the bane of my existence. It is our love seat, but we can affectionately term it the dog chair. Nobody sits in this chair but the dogs. They actually don't sit in it. This is their guarding perch. This is how they guard the house and make sure that nobody comes past their street, past nothing. And they will jump on this thing, and because they have dog fluff, it blands. So we have this scraper that's really good, and I just had sister to put it on top of the ottoman because it was easier for me to be closer to it. And so I just take it and I scrape, and it gets all the dog fluff off. I'm going to vacuum the carpet underneath, or the rug underneath. That's why I'm just scraping it on the floor. No worries. I am going to vacuum that. I just swept the floor before, but I'm going to vacuum this particular rug and the other rug as well. But we like this. We have a roller, a large size lint roller, but we also have this scraper. It's a 3-sided triangle scraper kind of a thing, and it works wonders. Sister was she wasn't giving it enough vigor for me, so I took over with that. But here she is vacuuming out the chair, because again, when they hop onto it, fluff just goes in places. And so we just took apart our stick vac, and we are vacuuming all of the things, and that is just going to be extra helpful. And I am scraping, she's vacuuming. So scrape, vacuum, all the things. It just works out so much more better in all of the things. And I appreciate our teamwork. It's making this dream work over here, and so life is amazing. So again, my kids do jump in and help, and I'm just very thankful for that. Not every child does, and not every parent expects it. I expect it. She lives here rent-free, light bill free. She doesn't pay any bills except her own things that she has. And so because of that, she is required to help maintain the home. And this is good practice for when she will take up housekeeping of her own, right? And so we have to pay attention to detail in certain types of things. So I'm always making sure that they see what I see. And again, of course, I'm the parent. I see a lot more, but I do have them practice and follow my leading. And so I always like to clean out the windowsills, and I like to clean off the windows as well. Noses and little nose prints get up here. Of course, little Brenda Ann or Gweenie, she does not go out for long walks like Mama does, and she misses Mama when she's not in the house. So she sits in this window and waits for her return. And little nose prints and paw prints and all kinds of things get in this window. So we just do a couple of times a week, making sure that it is all good. I love a good smelly good, so these orange wipes do help to not only clean, but they smell nice. So I use these. From here, we're moving into my bedroom where I'm going to be moving around a seating area that I had previously sitting there. There's just some stuff in this house that I have that no longer serves us. And so when things no longer serve you, the best course of action is to get rid of the things that no longer serve. And so I am not a holder owner of things. I exercise the true spirit of let it go, and I will let it go. These bed covers that I had on needed to be washed. Again, the dogs are always on the bed, and there are just Fluff and all the things. We do keep them rolled, but dogs and their fluff can just challenge your spirit. They challenge mine. Now, one thing I don't like is just to have a lot of stuff in my room out where people can see. Not that anybody's in here but me and my children. But I have my internet router and modem situation that I try to keep tucked as best as I can beneath this thing that's holding my jewelry. And so I just like nice clean lines, clean aesthetics if I'm able to get them. This is a very large bedroom. No worries about the floors. We're just waiting until we have more free time to get the floors looked after or taken care of, because it's school time and my time is a little bit limited when when I'm working during the school year. So I try to get as many big projects done during the summertime because I am not working. So I just keep it swept. And of course, there is dog Fluff. Mama does not enjoy cleaning, so she runs away from any cleaning opportunity that I would give her. So I like to keep a clean space. My kids get on me all the time. Mom, all you do is clean. You never sit down. You never rest. I don't have time for all that. I have time to clean. This is what I have to do. Now, if you follow me on shorts, you've seen this bedroom change because I have changed it. I took those 2 chairs that were in the living room out just to bring a little bit more space in the living room and to provide a few more seating options in the bedroom, because again, I don't let my children onto my bed. And so that just gives them a place where they can sit if they want to come in and have a chit chat with Mom. I also was at the Goodwill and found this little cabinet thing, this little stand-up thing. I think it's for like DVDs or something, but I am going to use it for as a bookshelf. I do a lot of teaching, a lot of study, and my books are usually on the other side of the room where the bed is, and now the bed is in front of the alcove where I keep books in. And I wanted to have something that was readily available for me to be able to grab my books when I needed it. So where I am on that side, there's another chair there that I've been using as a filming space. But again, of course, it has changed since the recording of this video. That chair is on the other side of the room where the 2 chairs are now. So you may have seen that, you may not have seen that. That one brown chair that is by the bathroom, we have gotten rid of that, or getting rid of it. And so here we are now. I'm going to put some new bedclothes on the bed because the old ones needed to be washed, refreshed, or just trashed. We've had some stuff for a long time. And if we needed to get rid of it, we need to get rid of it. So I don't like to have a lot of YouTube stuff in my house visible, like lighting and stuff, although it is necessary. So I'm having sister to tuck those lights behind the chair that's on the other side so that you can't see them. And I'm getting ready to make the bed. Now, I got this bed set at Walmart. It was like 10 pieces for $49. Can I just say that Walmart, the sheets that came along in this particular packet are top notch. I usually try to get sheets from Costco because they are very nice. But the ones I got from Walmart in this 10-piece set, absolutely phenomenal sheets. Some of the best ones I've had in a very long time. And so I recommend them. If I can find this set, I'll link it down below. But I ain't promising nothing. Y'all know me and my links. I really do appreciate my children. Many of you have talked about how good they are at helping. One of the things that I have just always felt very thankful for was the family component that we have. My children and I enjoy being together. We enjoy doing house projects. We enjoy doing garden projects. They may not always have the best smiles on their faces, but we enjoy each other's company. And that was the answer to a prayer that I prayed after I went through my divorce. I just prayed that the Lord would bless us to want to be together. And unfortunately for me, my oldest two children live across the country, but we stay in contact as best we can, and family chats and FaceTimes and all those types of things. Would I love for us all to be closer together? I really would, but that is not our testimony. So we'll take it where we can get it. It is just enjoyable having them around. They're very good companions, and as they have grown, you know, our conversations are a little bit different now. We talk about them potentially moving out in college for Jackson, of course, and what's next for sister and all those types of things. So you enjoy those things a little bit more when they get older. So anyway, I'm just throwing in this new blankie. Again, I got this as a 10-piece set from Walmart. If I can remember, I'll link it down below. Those sheets were just really, really nice. I'm trying to get one of those beds that you see on TV or people's, you know, I see them all the time on YouTube, but my bed never turns out like that. I don't have all the fluffy pillows and all the things. I try, and they just end up defluffing. So anywho, this is just how it all turned out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with us. I mean, they're all sitting up right now. I can't promise you they're going to stay that way forever. But this is my room put together a little bit. And again, you're going to see some changes, or you've already seen those changes if you're following us on other social media platforms. Please do like, share, subscribe, do all the things. Know that we love you over here at One Mom. We never take your presence for granted. We do invite you to come back and hang out with us as often as you avail. And we will see you guys the next time. Bye now.